YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? Hey, listen, we in Royal Farms right now, man. I'm about to give y'all a late night POV in the Scat before we get the Hellcat. Hellcat coming soon, man. But listen, we in the Scat right now, man. You feel me? The grind don't stop. Late night, like 2 in the morning, I think. 1 in the morning, something like that. I just got a bag, you feel me? Some brisk, strawberry mellow. This shit is Shang Bang. Royal Farms, like, I just walked in here. I told the nigga, I was like, yeah, you like working at this time, huh? Ain't nobody in this bitch. What's your favorite bev, man? Look at the problem, man. We out. Man. Oh, niggas. Yo, I be doing some dumb shit when I turn the camera on. I was just watching this video back and noticed this dirty ass fucking floor, bro. Royal Farms, what the fuck are you doing? Let's get it, man. Late night POV in the Scat. Oh my god, look at baby girl. Look at baby girl right there. Damn. Man, I don't know, man. Fuck the cat, man. I might stay with the Scat. Wide body this bitch, nigga. Turn this shit into a fucking demon. Let's get some gas real quick. This shit a little dirty right now because I was spinning this shit. You know where I'm at? I'm in the trap. Yeah, I stay trapping. OT7. OT7 grinding. Yeah, you know we getting gas. We need that shit, man. Bro, baby girl dirty right now. Oh, shit. It's really late as shit. Around with a chop and chop. Damn, she dirty. God damn. God damn. I don't even know if I should post this shit, man. She. Niggas is scrambling at 2 in the morning. You see what I do for you guys? Wake up, got out of bed, and came to make a video. So y'all better like this shit. On mommy. On mom. On mom. On mom. How much y'all think I put in there? But yo, let me know, man. Should I wide body? Should I go cat? Should I change the color? Psych the kid, I'll never change from black, bro. Black's, oh, yo, my car is, yeah, I'm washing it tomorrow, bro. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting up and going straight to the car wash. Look at this shit. Oh, nah, bro. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Quick little 30, man. No money, no money. No money. No money. Niggas, any feelings, go get some money. Pull your skirt down. He said, you know where I'm at? I'm in the trap. Yeah, I stay trapping. So, y'all, 30 bucks, that shit was on E. My shit was on fucking E. Like, dead ass, like, that shit was right there, nigga. The needle went. That's 30 bucks. 30 bucks gets you a little bit above half a tank on the Scat. And me, I don't be pushing my shit like that. 13.9 miles per gallon. I guess I be pushing that motherfucker sometimes, you ain't. But let's get it. Let's go. We in sport. I like riding in sport, y'all. Some people like riding the track, but I don't like riding the track, bro. I'll ride the track sometimes. Oh man, wow! I just put gas in this bitch. Any gas already? Oh man, I'm intrigued. Stop sign. Stop sign who? Not me, nigga. I'm about to wake up everybody in this bitch. Oh my goodness. Oh, he got scared and shit. Oh yeah, I'm on his ass. Oh my goodness. Chill. I'm gonna put my tag down, just go ghost and step out of here. Like if I turn my lights off, bro, niggas is not seeing. Look, they don't know where I'm at. They did not know where I was at right there. Yo, imagine if I was a cop. I was going on a chase. Officer Adams gonna be on my ass.
You going to jail?
Oh, and it's a red light. Yeah. Bro, y'all in the way, bro. Oh yeah, it's a red light. I can't do shit anymore. I'm about to drop my plate, bro. Go goes. It's nighttime, bro. I can do whatever. Yeah, man. Hold on, I'm gonna keep that. Oh yeah, I'm going ghost, nigga. my little folks in them. They said that the feds got them. He said, I just bought some Christian Dior's. What the fuck is red bottoms? ISTG. If this nigga slip, he go to SLEEP. Is that a cop? No cop. Oh yeah. Get busy. Get busy, scat. Get busy, scat. Y'all can't even see nothing. Y'all can't even see nothing. No bullshit. Oh, let me turn my lights all the way on. Yeah, now y'all can see a little better. Oh my God, I heard like the new intake, bro. The air intake, that shit really do make a difference. That the GT Momentum, bro, that shit hard. You hear that? You can hear, it's not a big like whistle, it's a little whistle. You gotta like listen closely. Oh, watch this light try to get me. I was ghost anyway. I was gonna eat that red light. Fuck that shit. We won't stop at red lights. We won't stop. We don't stop. I'm telling y'all, bro, Scatpacks are tough, bro. Hold on, my fault for the wind noise. Scatpacks are tough, bro. Don't let these motherfuckers try to tell you they not. Scats are tough. Gas. Like, bro, wasn't I just above half a tank? My fault. Wasn't I just above half a tank? I mean, I was a little bit higher than that. I was definitely a little bit higher than that. Bro, this like busting. I'm about to eat this bitch. I'm ghost anyway, bro. I was about to, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I was about to eat it anyway.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
I was about to eat that bitch anyway, bro. I don't even know why. I waited for that shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice little cut up sesh, man, for y'all boys. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing?
You going to jail?
Yeah. Yeah, he's an idiot. Yeah, he's an idiot. Wasn't stopping there. Dumb as hell. Ain't nobody on the road right now. The hell are you doing stopping? What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? Let me crack into this brisk, man. Hold on. Let me crack into this motherfucker. Hold on. Oh, shot, man. Yeah, fuck you talking about, man. Fuck you talking about. Yeah. Here, y'all want some? I'll spread the love. Y'all get some first. Bro, top 5, bro. Top 5. Top 5, bro. I don't care, top 5. Top fucking 5. Alright, man. Oop. Need that. Let's fucking get it, man. Let's fucking get it. Yo, this, man, listen. There's a camera here, but I'm about to eat this bitch. Say I won't. I'm ghost, nigga. I don't, man, lights off. Why would this light turn red? I mean, this one too. Watch me. Sorry, nah, let me chill. I ain't know there's a car there. There one here. Oh, I'm definitely this shit. Oh, stop at red lights, bro. I ran out of fucking storage, bro. I'm telling you, I'm always running out of fucking storage, bro. Was that a cop? I know they see me wilding. I know they see me eat that red light. Fuck them boys. Fuck them boys. Oh, I know they see me wilding all the time. Alright, man. I'm gonna cut it off here, man. You mean? Hey, drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. It's your boy SRT Rick, man. And we out.